Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 5, 2024, Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. result ngayong February 5, 2024, Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Monday, February 5, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 5, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 22 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 38 million pesos for Monday, February 5, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of February 5, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.